Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, another day, another video. And today what I have for everyone is another set of watch bands for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Okay, so this is another unboxing and first impressions of a set of compatible bands for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and or any of your later Samsung Galaxy watches. So this set of watch bands is compatible with the Watch 4, Watch 5, Watch 6, Watch 4 Classic, or Watch 6 Classic. And in particular, what I have here today for everyone, and I know I'm going to butcher this. I'm going to try. Y'all don't laugh. Laugh if you want to, okay? I'm going to try, okay? But today what I have for everyone is the MYAPULA. Yeah, I think that's how you say that. MYAPULA. MYAPULA. Watch bands for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 5, Watch 6, Watch 6 Classic, and Watch 4 Classic. In particular, this is the MYAPULA nylon bands with magnetic clasp. Okay? All right, that's the last time I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna put the name of the bands in the title, and I might throw it up on screen if I feel like I butchered it a little too much. But let's get into this unboxing. Let's get into this first impressions. And if it's not too difficult, I will try to do an installation guide as well. But if there's too many struggles, y'all know I'll just skip forward to eliminate as much struggles as possible and make the video as fast as possible. But here's what the packaging looks like. And y'all know, I told y'all, I fell in love with the nylon band material. So y'all already know I had to go get some more. Okay, I had to go get some more. So here's what the packaging looks like. And you can see this particular one comes with two colors. So we got a black nylon band and we got a dark blue nylon band, two of my favorite colors. And then here's what the back of the package looks like. Okay, and let's crack into this. Okay, so extremely basic packaging, but I like that. And let's take them out. So there's the dark blue, and let's get the black out. There's the black. All right, nothing else in the package. Let's put this off to the side, and let's take a closer look at these. Okay, so yes, really nice, high quality nylon material. Okay, and oh yes, thank you. The quick release pins come preloaded, so I don't have to install them. They come preloaded. You can see it right there on both sides. So I just have to hook it on to the watch, and we're good to go. And it's like that on both. So that was the black one. Here's the blue one. Again, really nice nylon material. I'm feeling this dark navy blue as well. This looks really awesome. And again, the quick release pins are preloaded. You can see it right there and right there. And just to make this video faster and eliminate the struggles, I went ahead and took off my previous watch band. So y'all can see I just have the watch main unit right here. And you can see I'm definitely going to come back to these. These were the quick release button watch bands from Kitway. My absolute favorite watch bands, all right? I'm definitely going to pick up more quick release button watch bands. This was awesome. I might go back to using this daily. But that was the previous video. Let's move on with today's video. So which color am I going to rock? Man, I feel like that blue and silver with the black touch will be nice. But that black on black with the silver trim, that also would be nice. I think I might rock the black. Yeah, and then black goes with everything. So yeah, I think I'm gonna rock the black. And let's see just how easy or difficult it is to put on. So here you go. All we really have to do is line up the pins with these holes. So you can see we got one hole on that side, one hole on that side. And then it's the same thing for the other side. So one hole over here on the bottom, one hole over here on the top. And that's pretty much it. So let me see how difficult or easy this is. So all we have to do is pinch down. Yeah, because we're going to pop in one side, so we got to pinch it down and then line up the other side. So let's do this. All right, so, and let me do it this way, make it a little easier on myself. So let me pinch this down. And let's line this up. Okay. So that lines in. And I missed it. Oh boy, I missed the one side. And of course, I got fat finger problems. Alright. Alright, so yeah, this definitely looks like it's going to be a little bit more of a struggle, but you basically just line it in, line it up, press down one side, and pop it in. But I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera, and I'll be back with y'all to do the first impressions. So give me 1 second, let me do this off camera. I'll be right back. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay? Alright, I did it. 20 minutes later, and we're all hooked up. Now, this is why I love the quick release buttons, because no struggles on that. But these quick release pins, definitely going to struggle a little bit, but all you have to do is pinch it, line it up, and then click it in, let it go, and let it click in. And you can see, clicks in no problem. So this is definitely compatible with the Watch 4 Classic. So you just click it in on one side, then you click it in on the other side, and you're good to go. All right? So now, let's try it on. Let's see how it fits. So all I got to do to loosen it is just loosen it up like this. Then I can slide it on. Okay? And then tighten it up to where I want it to be. So let's see. So yeah, real nice. Real nice. And then I just loop it around and let that magnet hit. And then it would be on. I got to make it a little tighter. Hold up. Okay, hold on. Let me do this off camera. Okay. Alright, hold on. Okay, so you can adjust the magnet down. Because I was like, okay, it looks like it might be a little too small for me. Okay, hold on. So I can bring the magnet down closer. So let me just do some quick adjusting. Bring that magnet down. Then we'll bring the magnet part around. And it should clasp on. There we go. And it clicks into place. Okay. So, a little bit more adjusting than I would like. But a nice solid fit. And that was me trying to avoid struggles. And y'all see me still struggling a little bit. So the magnetic portion does slide down. So you can adjust it exactly where you want it to be. And then it clicks into place kind of like a button. So it kind of, once you get the magnet clicked on, it clicks into place like a button. And I gotta say, nice, snug fit. Nice, comfortable fit too. Like this. This feels like it might be comfortable to sleep in. It also feels like it might be super solid to work out in. So first impressions of the MYAPULA bands for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it seems like it's going to be top notch. But y'all know me, I'm going to reserve all judgments until after I've worn it for like a full week or maybe at least 4 days, because who knows. But I like to take a full week, but I might be able to get this one done in about 4 days. But first impressions, I like it. I like the overall look. I like how it feels on my wrist. And I got to say that all black with the silver and black, this does look super solid in my opinion. And I like this overall look. But that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. So this has been the unboxing and first impressions of the MYAPULA nylon magnetic bands for the Watch 4, Watch 5, Watch 6, Galaxy Watch Classic, Watch 6, Watch 4 Classic, and it looks really good. So let me know what you guys and gals think. I'm going to take a full week. I'm going to put it through the review process and I'll be back, right? But that does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. And also remember to click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up this watch band, as well as links to where you can pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic itself, will be available down below in the video description, and that will be affiliated by links. So when you use those links to make your purchase, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated by links, in my opinion, are like a win-win for everyone. Also, if you'd like to see more coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, I'll link up all of my extended coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, today's video has been recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p. At 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. But once again, I am using my professional studio lights. But please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Remember though, to keep it respectful, please. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Yeah, man, I like this. And I like how the magnetic portion clicks into place. Unlike some of the other magnetic watch bands that I looked at, it kind of like rested on there. This one actually clicks into place and then it stays. So you'll know when it's connected because it will like click like a button and then it will stay there. I like that. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Will this beat out the quick release buttons from the kitway? I don't know yet. But I do know I actually enjoyed the look. I like the fit. But we got to put it through the whole review process. Anyway, have a good one, y'all. I'm out of here. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.